of our reality. But it might be somebody else's reality, like it is setting.
Yes, sir.
It means we have created language out of our own understanding, out of our own consciousness, but it doesn't mean that it fulfills all the needs. We see something, we have created a word, but then we feel something also. There are many feelings are there. Can we express them? We find many times, you must have, पहले बताओ सच्ची में ये बात सच है कि नहीं? Like sometimes you want to say something, but you don't have words for that. You can't clarify your feelings, and that's why it is said that language is an illusion. Very few people understand that. For that you have to understand. You have to understand philosophers. Then you start thinking like, oh my God, language is really, it does not fulfill the purpose for which it has been created. But क्योंकि हमारा consciousness level low है, we are not philosophers, तो हमको ऐसा लगता है चाय ले आओ, चाय आ गई, ये notes है, ये cosmos है, ये डॉक्टर पारिक है, it's okay, ये हमारी reality है. लेकिन डॉक्टर पारिक सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए है, किसी और के लिए मैं कुछ और हूं, तो रियलिटी इसका मतलब है मल्टीफेसेटेड है लैंग्वेज, आई मीन रियलिटी. और लैंग्वेज हर जगह पर अपना काम फुलफिल नहीं कर सकती. इन द कमिंग टाइम विल बी studying it. So now I'm telling it why, because we are studying